Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. If you have not been here before, hi, I'm Yazz and I'm currently on holiday in Portugal with my family. Today we're up super early though, as we are heading out on a road trip to Porto and Lisbon. Super fun, as I've never been before, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to take you all with us. So without further ado, let's go! So we've just arrived in Porto. I think it took around about 5 hours, maybe a little bit more, with a few pit stops along the way, but we've just checked into our hotel and the room is super nice. So I just wanted to give you a quick room tour. So this is how it looks as we walk in. You've got a few wardrobes over here and the fridge with this really nice painting or picture. I think it's a picture of grapes and leaves, but it's really nice. And then on our left we have this gorgeous mirror, and this was my outfit to travel in. I think I put a video up 2 weeks ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, but I think it was the what's new in my wardrobe. I'll leave a link up above, but these shorts were featured on it, and so were these Visa trainers. These are the All Saint ripped denim shorts. They have given a little bit and I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable and light to wear. These Visa trainers, again, absolutely in love with them. I did notice that they were hurting my big toe. That, now that I've worn them in, has gone completely away. They are super comfortable. This is just a really floaty Massimo Dutti white top, just something light and airy, as I didn't want to be sweaty in a car for 5 hours. So moving on. Huge bed with this gorgeous kind of like wood on the back that I think obviously will be the Porto city. Super pretty. Loving these lights. How cute are they? And I think, oh yeah, there's a lamp as well, and a mini lamp. That's cool. TV, and then, oh, what are these? Ooh, chocolates. I'll have some of that. Gorgeous window. I'm loving this window that looks out onto this kind of like terrace garden area. Really pretty. And then the bathroom. I mean, look at this. Open. Marble is gorgeous. Huge mirror again. And I'm loving this sink. How pretty is that? Again, we've got the we've got the toilet, and then this really big shower. So that's it for now. I think we're heading out for some dinner. I think it's around about, yeah, it's around about 6:30. I think we're all going to get ready and go for some dinner. So hopefully I'll be able to take you with us. So yeah, see you soon. guys, just checking in. So yesterday was a complete blur. We managed to go and do a tour of the Lisbon Porto house, and yeah, I didn't manage to get as much footage as I would have liked. That's because I may have had one too many port cocktails, which are very new to me, but I absolutely adore already. But I hope you enjoyed the snippets that I did manage to film. We've just arrived in Lisbon and we're on this amazing strip. It's called the Liberdade. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you say it, but we're on this main strip of like beautiful hotels, restaurants, and of course luxury shops like Gucci and Louis Vuitton and Loewe. I said in a previous video, I think it was my Louis Vuitton collection, I'll leave that linked above, that my mum and I are drawn to these shops like a magnet. I couldn't be more right. So yeah, we've just managed to check into our hotel. Not as nice as the other one. They've managed to mix up and get us single beds, so see how we deal with that. But yeah, it's just not as nice as the other one. It's really pretty though. I'm really liking the light behind the bed. Again, we've got another big shower. Actually, I'll just quickly show you. Oh, and we do have, see, a nice big fridge. So yeah, just another big shower, another window and toilet. Oh yes, they do have, I just missed this, they do have a nice big mirror, but again, it doesn't have a light. I loved the light in the last one. Oh, and this was again another little travelling outfit, my shorts and these trainers, and then this gorgeous little Hugo Boss top, and I'm loving the pleated like neon green detail. Really pretty with this like nice blue colour. But yes, hopefully I'll pick up this video in a shop, hopefully Louis Vuitton. See you soon. So it's another day in Lisbon. This is the hotel just above. We are about to head out on a little ride in a tuk-tuk. So hopefully I'll be able to show you some places, some monuments. That's going to be fun and a little bit scary because last tuk-tuk we were in, we nearly got hit by a car. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to take you with us and yeah, let's go. enjoyed the little snippets that you got from our trip to Porto in Lisbon. It was quite brief, but I was just enjoying myself really, so I just hope you liked the snippets that you got. So we're now home back at the family villa, and as you can see, I may have purchased a little bit while I was in Lisbon. The tuk-tuk ride, by the way, I can recommend. It was so much fun. You get like a private little tour of the whole of Lisbon, and it was so great. So that's definitely one recommendation. If you want any more recommendations, leave a comment down below and I will reply. But onto this Louis Vuitton reveal. So I've got 3 things. I'm going to ruin it for you now. There is no handbag. I did not purchase a handbag this time, which I'm actually quite proud of myself, because that's normally something that I will do. But yes, I got 3 things and I'm actually really chuffed with all of them. There was one specific thing that I've been looking for a long time, that I managed to get with Louis Vuitton, which I was quite surprised because I didn't think I would get it. Anyway, let's crack on. So the first thing that I got from Louis Vuitton was a pair of sunglasses, and it comes in this gorgeous leather case, which I really like, with the Louis Vuitton on the back, and it comes in this little bag. Again, I really like this because I normally forget where the boxes are, so to have this, it'll stop them from scratching, and also you can just clean them straight away. Now these sunglasses are so cool. I am definitely a girl who likes purple and blues, and this purple shade is just gorgeous. It's so light, and that's kind of like the in thing now at the moment, where you can see your eyes. But yeah, I really like them. They're in the classic aviator style with this gorgeous gold trim around, and on the side it has the gold Louis Vuitton monogram, and at the front it has those little stars in at the front, if you can see. I will hopefully be able to give you a closer up later on, but they were my first purchase. So cool, I love them. Just for summer as well, the purple is definitely in at the moment. Oops. I think I'll leave the biggest thing to last. They're probably, well, I don't know if they're my favourite out of the lot that I've got. I'll show you this one next. Now, I've been looking for something like this in a long time, and when I saw this in the store, I just thought it's perfect. It will go with every single jewellery I have, because of the colours in it. And I got this gorgeous watch. I'll just show you it in the box. But how gorgeous, hopefully you'll be able to see that, is that watch. It's absolutely stunning. So the reason why I like it so much, it has silver, gold and rose gold in it, with mother of pearl and crystals, and it has this gorgeous white, I think it's like a croc leather band. But the reason why is because it's got those 3 colours, and that just means you can wear it with pretty much anything, which just means it's such a versatile piece of jewellery, and I absolutely adore it with the Louis Vuitton little kind of, it's not the flower bit, but it's gorgeous. And in the mother of pearl, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the close-up, you have like really faded the monogram off, you know, on the canvas that you get. It's just so pretty. So that was my second purchase, and I absolutely adore it. That will not be coming off my wrist for a long time, but I'm just going to keep it in the box for now, because one will be sunbathing and one does not want oil on the watch. So for the biggest item, these are amazing. I actually wanted to get these a while ago, but just didn't. I don't know, I think it was because I saw the Chanel ones and I wanted them more, and I got the Chanel ones. So they're very similar but totally different in one respect. They are, again, some slides, but how cool are these? These are gorgeous. I don't know the name of them, but Louis Vuitton sandals, let's call them, with this gorgeous tan leather and gold circle with the LV in. I absolutely adore them. I have already got so much wear out of them. So I love the leather tan, although I'm going to be completely honest, it has rubbed my toes just around this area, but I think that's just gonna stop happening once the leather has softened. But it already has so much there. I've only worn them about twice. The day that I got them, and then again on the night. So actually just, yeah, twice, we'll call that twice. But they're just perfect. They go with everything in my wardrobe, and that's why I wanted them. So instead I didn't have to wear, you know, those black sandals, and if you don't, I'll leave a link up above to that video. But yeah, I absolutely adore these, and I love the circle around the LV. So classic and timeless. Again, if you've seen, they're very similar to the Valentino ones. They have a sandal similar to that. Really like those as well. But they have like more of a rectangle with a V in. And I think it's more of a brassy gold. But yeah, so cool. Really trendy, I think. And they're actually quite comfortable because this leather is padded. Not so much padded, but definitely more comfortable than the Chanel ones. I could wear these for longer. And yeah, I just love them. They're so cool. So those were the 3 things that I managed to grab in Lisbon. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. I hope you liked us taking you on holiday with us. Let me know in the comments down below if there's something that you'd like to see in the future. And thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.